Amy and the Thunderstorm by Tochigami, illustrated by Kindmaster. Hey classic Yumi, guess what? What? We're having a tea party. Let's take care of some robots during a tea party. And the sky gets darker. Darker. And darker. We might go to the basement and get some snacks because there is a thunderstorm. Right now. Let's go to the creepy room. So we can stay in our secret room and play. Let's watch movies instead of TV shows. Oh no, I think the power went out during a thunderstorm. Classic Amy. Chill, it's just the power. Oh my gosh, the power is back. When the thunderstorm is gone, it's sunny outside. The end.